Oh yeah, me. Hey, I am supporting Ogoni people. I said it is justice. It is only the Ogonis that have not been governors in Rivers State. Rivers State is made up of 3 nationalities. Because the Mbole people, the Eleme people have joined Ogoni. We would have been 4 nationalities. We have the Jaws, we have the Igbos, we have the Bantu Ogonis. The Jaw people had been governors. The Igbos had produced 2 governors, Odele, 3 governors, Odele, Amechi, and Wike. That was my clamor, that justice should be done.
Okay, you've heard that from Asari Dokubo. He said he is neutral. He's just being neutral. He wants fairness. And I know he was reacting to this tussle between Fubara, the current governor of Rivers State, and his erstwhile godfather, immediate past governor of Rivers State, Wike. He said he stands for justice. He's neutral in this matter. And for fairness' sake, he said, Ogoni people have not had a shot. They have not been opportuned to become Rivers State governor. He said other nationalities have been governors. And he said, recently, Eleme joined Ogoni, according to him. Now, to him, there are 3 nationalities in Rivers State. He mentioned the Ogoni people, the Ijaw, and the Igbo. Now he said, please, I want you people to bring this guy called Wounded Civilian. Come closer. Wounded Civilian, come closer. Come close. You need to listen to this. I believe you are not more knowledgeable than Asari. Now, Asari said, there are 3 nationalities in Rivers State. He said, Igbos, Ijaws, and Bantu Ogoni. These are the 3 nationalities. And who are the Igbos? You call the Ikwerres, the rest of them, about 60% of them in Rivers State, they are Igbos. He said the Igbos have had opportunity to rule thrice, that's 3 times. Odele, Amechi, and Wike. And it's an opportunity for somebody that is from another place, Fubara, to be governor. So what it's like saying is Wike should allow him to do their turn. Wike should allow him to do their turn. So Ijaw people have been governor according to him. Igbo people have been governor. Now, I want you to specifically look at this. How the Ijaw people of Rivers State, the Ijaws, how they see the Ikwerre and others that are speaking Igbo in Rivers State. They see them as Igbo. Wounded Civilian, I say bring your seat closer. This lesson is particularly for you and so many other people like you. You don't know more than Asari concerning these matters. You are not knowledgeable than Asari. Look at what he said. And they know. And this is not just Asari's view of this matter. There are a lot of them. And let me tell you too, this is how Northerners see the Igbos of Rivers State. This is the position. This is their position. Igbos of Rivers State are Igbos. So for you who are arguing, Ikwerre is Igbo this or that, go and argue with your shadows. Wounded Civilian, listen carefully. You can do a video to reply me on this. I know you will soon come up with something. Go and argue with your shadow. Yes. You will tell me whether you know more than Asari. He said there are 3 nationalities in Rivers State and you are coming here to tell us Igbo this, Igbo that. Pasting all sorts of things. Now, I want to also let you note what happened. Remember, there's a video we shared here. Fubara was in the midst of Igbo people. And he was speaking Igbo. And Fubara is from this side, Opobo. Some people consider Opobo. Opobo speaks what is Igbo that we can understand. Some people say it's not Igbo. Some people consider Opobo Igbo. Some people consider them a Jaws. But that is not where we are going now. There's what Fubara said there. He said he was talking about Obaki Igbo. And he's not talking about Igbos who came to live in River State. No, he's talking about indigens, Igbo indigens of River State. Go and watch that video again. So for those who are arguing nonsense, whether Ikwerre is Igbo or not, I pity you. I pity your confusion. Recently, Duncan Mighty came out and told people he is Igbo, Igbos should unite, and some are getting angry. Some people that are non-Igbos, people like wounded civilians, they are not happy. He doesn't share that kind of video. But that is what they are. They are telling you what they are. And you are attacking people who are saying you want Igbos to unify, not because they want to part from Nigeria, but they want to do things together. They want that love to be shared among people who speak one language, and you're opposed to it. Hey, why should they unify? Is it your business? I don't know why unification of Igbo mixing together should be paining an Edo person. Even you, Bini people, when you want to talk about the Abo people, certainly you'll be saying, these Igbo people, the Banke people, you'll be calling them Igbo. But when it comes to the public glare, you will like, oh, they are Benis. Do they speak your language? When it comes to doing something that you need crowd, just like what is happening in Delta State, the Urobos, the Isekris, and the rest of them sees Iseluku and the rest of them, Iseluku, Ubuluku, Onisholona, Onishubo, and the rest of them, and the Ka and Yoma, they see them as Igbo. They call them Igbo. In the secret, when they come in the open, they'll say, Delta, we are Deltans. When they need the crowd, they forget that they are Igbos. This is something, the Jaws and the rest of them. It's only Asari and some few that are coming openly to call them who they are, because they are Igbos. And one wounded civilian will open a channel, 2 channels on Facebook to be telling us these are not this, and fighting those who are trying to bring unity. I don't know why it pains somebody that these people wants to. Imagine in a video I watched, he was saying, why would they unite? Why would they unite? I can't understand. It is okay. Asari has made this comment severally. He refers to Ikwerre, about 60-65% of them in River State that speaks Igbo. All of them refers to them as Igbos. And somebody, anyway, viewers, share this video widely. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram for more updates. Bye-bye for now.